Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'll be doing, if you missed yesterday's announcement, I'm going to be taking a little break from filming YouTube, but I'm still going to be cooking something today because, one, it's dinner time and I'm hungry, and you know, I probably still will shoot something occasionally. I might just get a wild hair up my hiney to get out there and do some videos. If not, like today, this is the first time I've turned the camera on all day, just because I just had stuff to do and I still didn't get everything done like I wanted. But hopefully during the week I'll see about getting that going, so get my dinner going. Alright, I'm just peeling the last of my sweet potatoes. I'm making quite a lot because I'm also going to be taking these to work. Well, some of them to work for lunch. I just got to figure out the other protein I want to use. So I'll just figure that out tomorrow or Monday. Trying to get all the stubborn skin off. There we go. Got my garbage can right here. Being the holidays, sweet potatoes were on sale for like 99 cents a pound, so I figured, well, let's take advantage of it. Like I said, I made quite a bit. This is just melted butter. Give it a little flavor. I'm going to save that pan for something else. It won't hurt to have butter in it. Let's see. A little salt. And like I said, I'm making some for lunches for the week too, so a little garlic, because I like garlic. Oven's hot. A little paprika, because why not? I like paprika. Okay. And then we'll cover this whole guy in saran wrap. That way the steam from the butter will cook it all. Oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I guess I preheated my cast iron. Got to take them out. Whoops. Wow, will hurt the cast iron at all. There we go. So 15 minutes and I'll be... Alright, I got some asparagus prepped for the steamer. I just cut it in half, trimmed off the ends, put it in the water, put it in the steamer. And a quick pro tip, because I just did it, when you pull your skillet out of the oven, that was at 350 degrees, don't use your bare hand to turn the handle out of your way. Not a good idea. Alright, I'm going to prep my ground beef while I'm waiting for the oven. It's got 9 more minutes, but I'm going to get my ground beef ready. Basically, I was going to buy the ground beef under saran wrap, but this stuff here was 1 pound like the regular the other packet was. Same 93.7%. But these were $1 cheaper than the other ones. Like, well, the choice is simple. I'm going to cut this one in half because I'm going to fry up the other half for, I've been making taco omelets for breakfast. So I got a little bit more paprika, because I like paprika. I just eyeball. I rarely ever measure. Get some oregano still. I'll throw that in. It may not be a traditional ingredient, but I got it on hand, and I want to try to use it. Some cumin. Damn it! It keeps getting clumped up in the cap. Some cumin. Some garlic. A lot of garlic. Breadcrumbs, which I got. Alright, almost forgot the soup mix. But Mark, you don't like onions. Yeah, you're right, I don't. But I don't know, maybe that much. Third of a packet. And then some breadcrumbs. I really don't measure very much because I just eyeball it. Not everything has to be precise. I might be able to get 3 patties out of this. I'll have lunch for tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. I get enough sweet potatoes, so we'll see. That looks fine. All incorporated. Alright, I got my mushrooms cooking, sauteing. I'm going to throw in the asparagus soon. I thought I had a packet of beef gravy. Unfortunately I don't, so I'm going to have to use turkey. I know, you're probably like, what? Nothing I can do about it. I don't really want to run to the store tonight. Because that would be, I'm already halfway through cooking dinner, so. Oh, I forgot to turn the pan on. Never mind. I forgot to turn my cast iron pan on. Asparagus going. Sometimes I think the vegetable is just as important as the well, whatchamacallit. Oh, the protein. Turn on the heat a little bit. I might throw a little bit more butter in there, maybe. Sweet. Alright. Nice. Alright, we'll give these guys their first flip. I can find my spatula. I think I mistimed this pretty badly. I meant these are a little thicker than I thought. They're going to take a little bit. My vegetables are done, but my potatoes weren't. So I've just been sitting over here munching on mushrooms and asparagus. It's quite delicious. A good way to get your food to cook quicker is to go look at something on Facebook for a minute, or you tell yourself a minute, and you come back and your meat's nearing completion. Yeah, turn them around for even cookage. I can still tell that they're rare because they're how soft they poke. Well, getting close, then I'll be able to eat because I'm getting hungry. I think with this flip, we are done. It shrank down pretty well. This is going to be dinner. Go ahead and kill the heat. Unfortunately, I can't have any sweet potatoes or can't have any vegetables with my dinner because every time I come by to check these, I was sitting there eating out of it. Unless I just don't want to have any for lunch tomorrow. Yeah, I'm at it again. So I killed the heat. Let's get this guy into a pan. I got my odd turkey gravy. Which, you know, whatever. We're gonna just spoon that over. Just because I have them, I'm gonna sprinkle on some of these crispy onions. Now, if I take some of these to work, I'll just put them in a Ziploc bag and not nuke them, because then they'll probably get all... Let's check those sweet potatoes real quick. They may be done. Let's see if these guys are fork tender. You gotta be shitting me. It's still not done? No, it's still crunchy. Good grief. I figured at $3.50 for... Well, like 45 minutes they'd be done, but they are not. Well, back in they go. Wow. Alright, well, you know, whatever. Guess I'll just have to eat this guy. I'll throw a little. I'll throw a few. I mean, look at it. I almost had a whole pan in here. And I practically devoured the whole thing. Well, maybe one won't have vegetables. I could almost kill that whole pan of veggies. Asparagus, man. It's good stuff. Alright. Let's try the Hamburg steak. Let's see here. I can't. Freaking tripod head sometimes. I lifted it up but it was tilted. So here's the steak. No sweet potato side, but you know, what are you gonna do? Hopefully that will show up. Oh man, oh, that's good. I think it's time to sit down and eat. dinner is completed. Unfortunately, I kind of filled up on vegetables, so I never really got around to my sweet potatoes, which I literally just pulled out of the oven, so I guess I could eat one. A little al dente in the center, but I can live with it. Anyway, I guess that's it for this week's Cast Iron Wednesday. As always, I appreciate watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.